I have my Lightdash project open here, and so as said, so you can run Lightdash locally. You can run it on a different kind of, let's say, environment that you control, or you can use the Lightdash cloud, which I'm doing, because I'm a very lazy DevOps person, so I usually try to minimize the systems that I have to take care of. So I'm quite happy that I can use this one. And
Nice.
so I already have a project that I use for myself, and so I think we can just create a new one. Should we do it here, or are we doing it from the?
Yeah, we can do it from the command line.
Okay.
So one thing we'll need is if you go back to that settings page, just grab the URL for your instance.
Yeah.
So
this one.
Just from cloud backwards. So Deepskydata, all of that. Yeah.
Okay.
And the first thing we'll do is you need to log in. So you do Lightdash login, and then you just got to provide a URL with it. So that one we copied.
Okay, so I guess then I also need the protocol. So.
That's it. You got it. So that's just going to associate our CLI with that instance.
Yeah, which makes sense.
So that URL would be the same for all cloud users, but if you're hosting this yourself, you might have it on an internal, domain or something like that.
Yeah, I just have to look up my credentials.
Go to your password manager. Nice.
Exactly. Yeah.
Great. And then it's going to ask you to choose an existing project, but we can still create a new one after this.
Cool.
And then so your next step is to just do Lightdash deploy -- create. And that's going to create a new project in your Lightdash account.
Okay.
But with the dbt project we're kind of currently in.
Yeah.
I need to clean up these warnings. Look at this. What a mess. It looks like we've got 2 now as well. That's just noisy.
I have to say I always ignore warnings. Unless it doesn't fail, I usually pretty good in. Of course. I'm very confident.
And so what it's going to do is it compiles your dbt project.
Yeah.
And when it compiles your project, I don't know if people know that under the hood, dbt creates this kind of huge kind of like blob of information about everything in your project, which includes the models and their dimensions and their metrics. Okay, nice. So it's compiled all of these models from the project, which is nice. And then you can go and give your new project a name.
Yeah, I just use the one that I already use here in the configuration.
Okay, nice. And then at the end of this, you're just going to get a URL where you can go and start querying the data.
And I have to say, it goes really quick. Okay, so here we are. Just let me copy.
It can always be quicker.
Yeah, but honestly, it's quite okay. Hey.
Okay. Everything works. Good to see a green tick.
Yes. Okay, here we are. So